Hi friends, wish you a very good evening. I hope you all guys are fine. So first of all, I'm extremely sorry that I'm unable to make videos last few days. There is a reason. There are some issues which was going on, so due to which I'm unable to make a videos. But now everything is sorted out. So I'm making this video. I hope you all are doing well. So what the topic should be for today, I think nowadays I ask too many youngsters or students and uh, lot of discussion I have gone through, a lot of videos I have seen. So nowadays a problem comes for youngsters is breakup. Either you are a boy, either you are a girl. When they pass through a breakup, they really break down and they don't know what to do and what not to do. So as I just go through this, it's an amazing thing, guys. You must go at least few times. You must have breakups so you learn new things from the new persons. And it's my personal views, guys. Don't take it that much seriously. It may be different for different person, but I sharing this for my personal experience that breakups are really an amazing thing. Then you move forward, you meet new people, you learn new things, you uh, new techniques of living a life happily. So basically what happens if you have a long term relationship with somebody, or in other terms it may be a homesickness. Suppose we are going first time for the job in some mm, remote areas, we feel homesick. So we should have the we should have the ability to be happy with our surroundings and to be happy with the people we have on the current time. So how it happens? Usually we stick with the things. We should not. We should enjoy the things as it comes to us. And this is the basic uh, technique of living a life happily. To live in a current situation. Suppose you got a breakup with somebody, so find a replacement. It's very easy. Nowadays it's very easy to find somebody. And you can make a checklist what suits you, and you can find out easily, because it is not good to be stick to something. uh, Either it is a thing, either it is a man, it is a woman, it is some relations. You should be always move forward, because change is painful but change is beautiful. Change is always beautiful. So guys, in my personal views, I always recommend that youngsters should focus on their career, focus on their parents, focus on their people they love, and focus on the happiness. The most important thing, focus on the fun. We should not focus on the thing sadness. We should not focus on the thing if something bad happens to us, and we should not focus on the people who are not positive. So because whatever we focus, it become larger. As we know, there is a basic rule, जिस चीज़ पे भी हम फोकस करते हैं वो चीज़ बड़ी हो जाती है ना. तो वही चीज़ हमारी लाइफ में आ जाती है. वट एवर थिंग वी फोकस, वी गेट इट इन टू आवर लाइफ. सो वी शुड फोकस ऑन बेटर थिंग्स, बेटर लाइफ, बेटर पीपल. एंड कहते हैं कि इफ़ वी स्पेंड, साइकोलॉजी में कहते हैं कि इफ़ यू स्पेंड our time with the funny people, with the people we can laugh, with the people we can fight, and after that we can laugh, we feel mentally happy. So basically my message, one of my viewers said that sir, you always speak in English while we are Indians, and we should be, you should speak in Hindi. So guys, there is a story behind this which I would love to share in the next video. It is very interesting story why I started this channel as an English channel. So today it's all. The conclusion is you should always move forward, meet nice people, positive people, funny people, and try to be happy all the time. Thank you very much guys. Please enjoy your day and always find a replacement for everything. Thank you very much guys.